Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download and set up the Ocean Additions Datapack. The Ocean Additions Datapack is a pack for Java that adds a ton of content to Minecraft's oceans. This ranges from mobs to items to structures and so much more. Firstly, there are two structures you can find with this pack. There is the Abyss UFO that can be found in any ocean biome, and it contains a chest with some goodies inside. Another structure you can find is the Abyss ship. This is a huge structure found in deep ocean biomes. Moving on, there are a few new mobs in oceans. Firstly, we have lobsters. They're a passive mob and they come in a few different colors. Then we have the Ocean King mob. The Ocean King is a boss that can be summoned with an item called Ocean Core. This is what it looks like when you summon it. This guy is little, but he causes a lot of destruction. Another boss mob is the Colony Queen mob. This is what it looks like when she's spawning. It's super scary. Lastly, we have a vast amount of items you can gather in this data pack. That includes buckets of lobster, epet fruit seeds, deep sea explorer maps, custom music discs, biomechanical scales, lobster meat, and so much more. To check out all of this data pack's features, we recommend following the following steps and trying it out yourself. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the download page. If you scroll down, you then need to click on From GitHub to be redirected to this GitHub page. Then scroll down until Assets. You'll see a few items there and links, but all you have to do is click on the first button to get the datapack zip downloaded. Then under that, you'll see two options for resource packs. You have to click and download one of these as it's the required texture pack for this pack. Without it, you won't see item textures. I'll be downloading the emissives version, so all you have to do is click once again on the button and the zip will begin downloading. Once the resource pack zip has downloaded, you should drag those files to our desktop so it's easier to follow the next few steps. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. At the moment, the creator states that this datapack is for version 1.19, but this may change in the future, so please check before continuing. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the datapack onto a world you've already created. This datapack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the datapack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here's where you're going to drag the datapack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the datapack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual, just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Datapacks. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area you saved the datapack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your world folder and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the datapack zip inside, it means you followed these steps correctly. Now that the datapack is uploaded onto the server, we have to make sure the resource pack is also installed. To do that, you'll want to head back to the Files tab. Then open up the server.properties file and look for the line saying resource pack. After the equals, you want to right click and paste the link to the required resource pack. We ourselves have uploaded that file to our Dropbox, so if you'd like you can use our link, it'll be in the description. Alternatively though, you can upload the resource pack to any website that supports creations of hotlinks and put your own hotlink into the server.properties file. Before continuing, make sure to press Save File to confirm the changes, and then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by restarting your server. After it's booted up, head to the dashboard and copy the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, you'll be prompted with this pop-up asking if you want to download and install the required texture pack. We recommend pressing yes, so every time you join the server in the future, it'll be automatically enabled. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!